Are you sure? Could you please repeat that for me? I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Yo! You're hurting Dusty's ears. And you're hurting my ears. You got a fuzzy on your beak. You got a fuzzy on your beak. Urgh. Hi. Let me get the fuzzy. I can't get it. If I gotta move. Can't do it with my left hand. You done throwing a fit?
Hi.
Bye. See you later.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi.
Where are you going? You going in your room? Where are we going? Where are we going? What are we doing in here? I don't know. I can't find a new carpet for your room. So we're going to have to clean your poopy spots off of this carpet. Say goodbye to everybody.